Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 2 episodes, we want you to know everything what you need to know to become a K-pop star. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button, so don't miss out the other episode. Your favorite K-pop stars were merely regular trainees before becoming the recognizable talents you know and love. As K-pop becomes more and more popular, more and more people from all over the world are applying to be K-pop trainees in the hopes of one day becoming famous. If you aspire to be a K-pop star, this article will provide you with all the information you require to launch a successful career as a trainee. Aim for the moon and prepare ready to fulfill your ambitions. 6. If Korean is not a language you are familiar with, learn it. Make sure you can read the Korean alphabet and, at the very least, say hello, goodbye, please, and thank you. If you join the training program, you'll have to sing in Korean at least occasionally. Learning the language will also make it easier for you to meet people and navigate South Korea. 7. Steer clear of controversy and use caution when posting on social media. Being polite and acting appropriately are qualities that make a student effective in their training. Avoid getting into trouble by staying away from places like parties where underage drinking is prevalent. Be careful when publishing on social media, too. Most likely, managers and executives can access your accounts. 8. To upload videos to YouTube and gain subscribers, create a channel. Start recording both your original music and cover songs. Try recording videos in which you discuss your experience and personal path toward being a K-pop trainee. When searching for new employees, producers frequently consult YouTube channels. 9. Stay physically fit and at a healthy weight. Your physical health should be in good enough shape to allow you to keep up with the demanding activity you'll go through as a trainee, regardless of the beauty standards a corporation should adhere to. Dance practice sessions lasting hours per day are very typical for K-pop trainees and even idols. 10. Choose the companies for which you want to try out. Major entertainment organizations including SM, JYP, YG, Cube, Lowen, Cletus, Woollim, and Big Hit are just a few of the list. While some businesses prioritize hiring trainees who already have a certain aesthetic and can sing and dance, others are willing to accept someone who needs additional instruction in a certain subject. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.